Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Labs English. If you want to create professional grade video content without ever stepping in front of a camera, you're in the right place. Today, I am walking you through how to use HeyGen to create a high quality AI avatar video for free. First things first, head over to heygen.com and click on Get Started Free. No credit card needed, nothing to pay. You'll see the login page right here. You've got a few options. Sign in with Google, Apple, SSO, or just your email. The fastest way is Google, one click and you're in. So go ahead and sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, HeyGen might show you this pricing page. Don't worry, we're sticking with the free plan today. Let me quickly show you what the free plan gives you. You get one video per month, videos up to 1 minute long, one custom digital twin, 500 plus stock digital twins to choose from, 720p video export, and the ability to share and download your videos. Now here's the exciting part. Even on the free plan, you get trial access to some premium features like Avatar IV video generation, video agent, video translation with lip sync, and 30 plus languages. So you can actually test the good stuff before ever paying a single penny. The paid plans, Creator and Pro give you more videos, longer durations, higher resolution, and access to all premium features. But for today, free is more than enough to get started. Now close that pricing pop-up and look at the left sidebar. You'll see options like Home, Avatar, Video Agent, Translate, Apps and Projects. Click on Avatar. That's where all the magic happens. You'll land on Avatar section. At the top, you'll see two tabs, My Avatars and Public Avatars. My Avatars is where your custom creations will live. But since we're starting fresh, click on Public Avatars. This is HeyGen's full library of free stock avatars that anyone can use. The page might take a second to load all the avatars. Just give it a moment. Now you can see a massive collection of avatars. There are categories at the top: All, Professional, Lifestyle, UGC, Community, and Favorites. You can browse through any of these depending on the style you want. But what I really love is the filter option. Click the filter icon at the top right. You can filter by gender, man or woman. You can filter by age, young adult, middle-aged or elderly. And you can even filter by ethnicity: white, Asian, South Asian, Latino, Middle Eastern or black. This is really useful because you can pick an avatar that best matches your target audience. For an English channel targeting a global audience, you might want someone who looks professional and relatable. So pick your filters, hit done and browse through the results. Now when you find an avatar you like, click on it. You'll see their profile page showing all the different looks. This is one of HeyGen's coolest features. Each avatar comes with multiple looks already built in. Look at this, I've clicked on Aaron and he has 10 different looks. There's a casual sitting pose, a podcast studio setup, a professional desk look, a neon gaming background, all using the same person, just different outfits and environments. This means once you pick an avatar, you're not logged into one style. You can switch the look depending on the topic of your video. Teaching something technical, use the office look. Making a casual tutorial, use the lifestyle look. It's really flexible. Take your time here and explore a few different avatars before committing to one. Once you've picked your avatar, head to Quick Create in the left sidebar. This is the simplest and fastest way to make your first video on HeyGen. You'll see this page. It says One Recording Unlimited Looks at the top. That's referring to Avatar V, which is their most advanced model. We'll come back to that in a moment. The main interface is straightforward. On the left, you have the script box. This is where you type exactly what you want your avatar to say. On the right, you can see a preview of your selected avatar. Go ahead and type your script in the box. Keep it under 210 characters for this quick create mode. You can see the character counter at the bottom right of the script box. For a test video, something like, "Hi, I'm your AI presenter," I was created using HeyGen in under 5 minutes, completely free. No camera, no studio, no face needed. Works perfectly. At the bottom, you'll see the avatar name, the motion engine selector, and the video quality setting. We're using Aaron, Avatar IV, and 720p, all free. Now let's pick a voice. Click on the voice name at the bottom, Aaron in this case, and a voice library will pop up. You'll see 3 options at the top: clone your voice, design a voice, or import from a third party. For now, we'll use that HeyGen library, which already has tons of free voices built in. Click on HeyGen library. You can filter by language. Notice it's currently showing English India voices. You can change this to any English accent you prefer. British, American, Australian, whatever suits your channel. You'll see voices like Monica Sogam, Aditya, Amit, Sajan, and each with a description of their style. Click the play button next to any voice to hear a preview before selecting it. Pick a voice that sounds natural and matches the energy of your content, then click Select Voice. Now here's something important. At the bottom, you'll see the Avatar Engine selector. If you click on it, you'll see three options: Avatar V, Avatar IV, and Avatar 3. Avatar V and Avatar IV are both marked premium, meaning they use trial credits on the free plan. Avatar 3 is the fully free option with unlimited usage. For your first test video, I'd recommend using Avatar 3. It's completely free, no credit limits, and it still produces solid results. Save your Avatar IV trial credits for when you want to create a polished final video. Once you're happy with your script, voice, avatar, background, and delivery style, you can either click the blue Upload button to generate directly or click on Open in AI Studio to see more advanced customization options. Let's click on Open in AI Studio so I can show you the full editor. Welcome to AI Studio. This is HeyGen's full video editor. On the left, you have your script, in the center, you have a live preview of your video, and on the right is your settings panel. On the right panel under Avatar Background, you'll see three options: Customize, Remove, or Color. Click on Customize to change the background behind your avatar. A panel will open on the far right showing stock backgrounds and an option to upload your own. In the search bar, you can type keywords like studio, office, nature, or city, and HeyGen will show you relevant background options. I searched for studio and got a bunch of podcast and recording studio backgrounds. Then I tried for office and got clean professional office spaces. This is completely free stock content built right into HeyGen. No need to go to Unsplash or any external site. Click on any background to apply it instantly to your preview. Keep experimenting until you find something that fits the look and feel of your channel. You also have a delivery style drop-down on the left side of the script. This lets you choose between direct voice, mirror voice, and auto enhance. Auto enhance is really useful because it automatically adds emotion, pacing, and sound effects to make the voice delivery feel more natural and engaging. Once you're satisfied with everything, your script, avatar, voice, background, and delivery style, hit the Generate button at the top right. HeyGen will start processing your video. You'll be taken to the projects page where you can track the progress. You can see here, first avatar video is at 99% ready. It usually takes just a few minutes depending on the video length and the engine you're using. Casual and friendly. While it's rendering, you can go ahead and create another video, explore other features, or just wait right here. Once it hits 100%, the video is ready to preview and download. Once the video is ready, click on it in your projects and hit the download button. Your video will save as an MP4 file directly to your downloads folder, exactly like you see here with first avatar video.
Hi, I'm your AI presenter. I was created using HeyGen in under 5 minutes, completely for free. No camera, no studio, no face needed.
And that's it. You've just created a fully AI-generated presenter video without showing your face, without a camera, and without spending a single penny. If you found this helpful, make sure you hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe so you don't miss our next tutorial. And drop a comment below telling me what kind of videos you want to make with HeyGen. I read every single one. See you in the next one.